Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Nutrisystem for meal plans step by step clearly. To connect with Nutrisystem for meal plans, start by visiting their official website. On the home page, look for the navigation menu at the top of the screen. Click on the option labeled Meal Plans. This section will provide an overview of the different meal plans available. Browse through the various options to find one that suits your dietary needs and preferences. Once you've selected a meal plan, click on it for more detailed information. Take note of the ingredients and nutrition facts provided for each plan. Scroll down to find the Get Started or similar button. Click on this button to proceed with the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration page where you need to enter your personal details. Fill in your name, email address, and any other required information. After completing the form, click Continue or Next to move forward. You may need to answer some questions about your health goals and dietary restrictions. Provide accurate information to ensure you receive the best meal plan for your needs. Once you finish this section, review your selections and click Submit. Next, you will be prompted to choose a payment method. Select your preferred payment option and enter your payment information securely. After confirming your payment, your meal plan will be created. You'll receive a confirmation email with details about your plan and delivery schedule. For any questions or concerns, return to the website and click on the Contact Us link. You can find options to connect via phone, email, or live chat. Choose the method that works best for you and reach out for assistance. Now, you are all set to enjoy your Nutrisystem meal plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.